A reverse mortgage is a financial tool for senior homeowners who want to access the equity in their home. A reverse mortgage can make your retirement more comfortable with less worries. It is our hope this DVD will provide you with information as well as a better understanding of a program designed with seniors in mind. So here's what we'll talk about today. First, what is a reverse mortgage? How can you use the money? Then we'll talk about who may be eligible. We'll discuss how easy it is to apply. And finally, how we can help you decide if a reverse mortgage is right for you. So let's get started. What is a reverse mortgage? A reverse mortgage is a trusted financial vehicle typically insured by the Federal Housing Administration for homeowners 62 and over. Reverse mortgages are designed to allow seniors to convert the equity in their home into cash and still own their home for as long as they remain in that home as their primary residence, maintain the home, and pay property taxes and insurance. Imagine accessing your home's equity and having no monthly principal and interest mortgage payment until you sell your home or no longer live there. Then being able to take that equity and decide yourself how that money would best serve your retirement needs. You might be wondering, how can I use the money from my reverse mortgage? People use their reverse mortgages in many different ways. Everyone has different needs, and a reverse mortgage gives you the freedom and flexibility to use it as you see fit. So with a reverse mortgage, you'll be able to use that money in the way that is best for you to make your retirement more comfortable and less stressful. Here are some of the different ways you can use a reverse mortgage. Pay off your existing mortgage. Supplement your retirement income. Pay your property taxes. Cover medical expenses and supplemental insurance. Make home repairs or improvements. Pay for long-term care and medical equipment. Financial planning. Manage everyday expenses. So as you can see, how you use the money is up to you. And for many, it's a smart financial solution to improve the quality of life and conditions of retirement. So now you might be asking, am I eligible for a reverse mortgage? Here are the basic eligibility requirements. You must be 62 years of age or older. You must live in the home as your primary residence. The home must meet FHA property standards. You must own the home and be able to pay off the existing mortgage or other liens against the home with the proceeds from the reverse mortgage at closing. You can't be delinquent on any federal debt. Now, you might ask, is my home eligible? Your home is eligible if the property fits into the following categories and meets specific property type guidelines. It is a single-family home, a 2 to 4 unit property, is an FHA-approved condominium, a townhome, planned unit development, newly constructed property with certification of occupancy issued prior to application. Some property eligibility may vary based on the reverse mortgage product you choose. So let's say you're interested and want to know where and how to get started. First, you want to choose a trusted reverse mortgage provider. Choosing a company and loan originator with reverse mortgage knowledge and experience working with seniors is important. Once you feel comfortable with your choice, here's how to begin. Your chosen reverse mortgage provider will help you start the application process and offer additional information regarding the program. If you've not already met with an FHA-approved reverse mortgage counselor, which is a requirement for the program, your reverse mortgage provider will give you a list of counseling agencies, national and local, for you to contact. The application process will include completing the application, reviewing the options and costs, going over the terms of the loan, and answering questions you may have. Please feel free to include family members or a trusted advisor in the process. Once you've completed the counseling session, processing will begin, which includes ordering the appraisal and later underwriting. During the discussion, your reverse mortgage provider will go over the associated costs, which are very similar to a traditional mortgage and may or may not include a loan origination fee, third-party fees such as a credit report, appraisal, counseling, lender's title policy, and closing fees, FHA mortgage insurance premiums, servicing fee, interest. These costs may vary depending on the product you choose and oftentimes may be paid at closing with the loan proceeds. The reverse mortgage becomes due and payable when the home is no longer your primary residence or the last surviving borrower passes away. If you do not maintain the home in a condition equal to when the loan was closed, and/or you do not pay property taxes, hazard insurance, and any applicable homeowners association fees or dues. Share this DVD with your family and let them see if they have any questions about whether a reverse mortgage can make your retirement more comfortable and with less worries. Thousands of seniors have found that this is a smart financial option to help them live the retirement they deserve without having to leave the home they love. Live your retirement the way you want to live it, the way you deserve.